In this episode, we'll take you through pouring the slab and getting the deck build underway.
Hi, I'm Matt and this is Jazz and we live in the beautiful sunny Nelson.
Join us on our complete spa installation journey, from the first plans to the final soak.
We'll share the key decisions we made, a few surprises along the way and exactly how we brought it all to life.
All right, so today is the big day, concreting time. So we've compacted the base layer, the AP40. The base layer is about 100 mil, and then the concrete now is going to be about 100 mil as well throughout the whole thing. We've got a hustle because I'm a bit too stingy to get a concrete truck, so we'll do it by hand, and it's kind of a nice hot sunny day, so we have to kind of get it down quick before it sets.
We've got an emergency gazebo set up, but we don't know how much that's going to be, so
Yeah.
we better move. Just a little update on our spa adventure.
It's been a couple of weeks now, so it's all set nice and hard.
And we had a lot of fun putting it all together that day, didn't we, babe?
You can see in the background the new
Fence. Matt did the whole thing in 4 days.
So originally I was thinking maybe have like a privacy screen behind the spa, but I don't know, what do you reckon? We don't really need it.
Not now, we don't.
How are you feeling about it all, babes?
So excited, I can't wait. Mid-December, it's arriving at the moment. It was going to be November, now it's mid-December. Cannot wait, cannot wait. Anyways, the babes is going to give a little update about some of the decking plans. What are you thinking, babes?
So the next step now is to extend the deck. So I'm going to get rid of all this rotten wood, follow that step across all the way across till about here. And the same with this step, except I'll carry it on so it's next to the spa. Yeah, so that's the updates.
Cool beans.
Right, need to get all that rotten wood out.
In the next episode, our spa and heat pump finally arrives and we see the whole plan come to life.